Today we replaced the porch light fixture on the 2003 Dolphin Motorhome. This old one is falling apart and the lens blew away, plus we're upgrading to LED. The only differences are it's LED and we ordered the black instead of the white. It comes with a clear and amber lens, plus the on and off switch. I'll put the link in the description for more information. Comparing the old with the new, the whole fixture looks the same size. Let's take the 20-year-old one off and get to the wiring. Cut the wires as close as possible to the connection, leaving plenty of slack. Splice both wires about 1/4 inch. Using 2 heat shrink wire connectors, we crimp them first on the RV wires. Then we insert and crimp the already spliced wires of the new porch light. A quick note, the polarity on the LEDs is very important. Don't just go by the wire color. I suggest to test before crimping. Before heat shrinking the connectors, we test it again. Using a lighter or heat gun, shrink the connectors on each end, making them waterproof. Tuck in the access wire into the exterior wall opening. Now we do some cleaning. Using a plastic blade, scrape any buildup or old caulk, and then wipe down using some alcohol acetone. And to waterproof the openings, we first caulk the screw holes and the top of the wire opening. And later we'll add some caulk to the top here as well. Line up the holes and insert the 4 screws and tighten each one. We put a nice bead of caulk on the top only, and with an alcohol dampened rag we smooth it down, install our preferred clear lens, waited for sundown to see how bright the LED is, and I gotta say, 280 lumen is plenty of light for us. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video, and you all have a great day.